Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share exactly how you can get paid to like Instagram photos, and you might be thinking, well, that sounds like absolute nonsense. How can you simply be going on Instagram like this, scrolling through and liking a photo and being paid for it? Well, what you need to remember is Instagram, like many social platforms, even like YouTube, there's creators on the platform who want to grow a business. Maybe they're into affiliate marketing, or they are, they're trying to become an influencer. They will pay people to like their photos and, to follow them and, other bits. So basically, you and I can take advantage of that by using a number of platforms, and I'm going to share with you in this video. I'm going to share with you a website that you can use, and if you watch this video till the end, I'll share 4 additional websites which will also pay you to like Instagram photos. Really simple, really easy. This is available worldwide and it's absolutely free. So let me share with you the first website. So this is a website called Picoworkers. Now this is known as a micro task, and basically what you can do on here is sign up for free and you can come over here. Now on here, this is like in the office, and what you can do on here is, you see on here we've got 5 jobs. We've got job level, we've got category, payment and lots more. So for this you just simply click on category and you come down to Instagram and you click apply. And then you scroll down and it will show you the jobs for Instagram. I mean, I don't know why TikTok's on there, but look, you can see here, look, Instagram follow, Instagram marketing promotion, and also Instagram follow. So if you click on any of these, let's just click on this one as an example, it will open it up and look, it will tell you, look, how many people have completed this task so far, time left to rate, and we'll scroll down here and then look, what is expected from this. So go to Instagram search, and go to Instagram and search for Enrich Kids and follow the account. Copy and paste your activity log, so basically showing that you followed them, and then put that into here and you submit the proofs. That's it. It's genuinely a simple way. So this one here is following somebody's account. Sometimes we'll also see on here, so these are follows. What's this? Marketing promotion. This will probably be a like in the Instagram photo. Follow the page. Yeah. And again, we're following the page on here. So this website here is called Picoworkers. At this moment in time, it's only showing 5 results for Instagram. However, this is updated daily, and I'm going to share another website with you where there's hundreds of Instagram opportunities. So we've got this on here, but look, there's not just Instagram. What you've got to remember is people are trying to build profiles on many different platforms. So let's bring this down and have a look at, let's say, Twitter, for example. I'm going to click on there and click apply, and look, the same here, look. Twitter follow, so follow someone on Twitter, again follow, and literally you're not being paid a lot of money for this, but then the tasks are not that difficult, are they? You literally go on Twitter, click on follow and you get paid. And you can see lots of people are taking advantage of this because it's available worldwide, it's simple, it's incredibly easy, and it's also free. So this website over here, this is Picoworkers. You can find lots of different jobs on here, but you can also find Instagram. Another website that you can use is this one here, and it's called Microworkers. And again, basically, you are completing micro tasks and you can literally get paid for doing so. And this is the homepage. It gives you lots of examples on here. I'll show you inside of my account, and we scroll down here. You can see we've got all of these different jobs. So on here, I've just simply clicked on social media. And again, if we just scroll down here, you will be able to see look, we've got Twitter, Facebook, again, Facebook, LinkedIn, Tumblr. What's this one? Facebook likes, Twitter, Facebook page again. There's and look, here's one here. Look, follow an Instagram profile. This one here, I mean, look at this. This one, it pays 45 cents to go ahead and follow an Instagram profile. So if I click on there, if I was interested in doing this one here, scroll down here, look what is expected. You must have 50 Instagram followers to do this. I don't know why that's relevant, but basically, go to this page here and click on follow, and you get paid 45 cents. It's just ridiculous, and it'll take you seconds to do this. So if I go back over here, and this website here, this Microworkers, very similar to this website over here, this Picoworkers. You can filter this. You can actually get paid for, watching YouTube videos, believe it or not. So for that example, we come over to, where is it, video music sharing platforms, click on here, and look, you can get paid to go on YouTube and watch a video, like a video, comment, There's lots more. There's so many different ways that you can earn money on these different websites. We've also, obviously, we've got social media. We've got things like blogging, so people want you to go over to their blogs. But basically, all of these methods here, people are paying, they're willing to pay to get traffic to their business and their brand. So that's two different websites you can use. There are many more. So some of the more legitimate ones are, this is the first one, and it's called AdMeFast, and it works in a similar fashion to Picoworkers and also Microworkers. It's free to sign up again, and literally you go ahead and you create an account. The only difference with this one here compared to these ones, whereby these are paying you money right off the bat and they're telling you, how much you'll get paid. But over on this website here, it works on a point system. So you can see on here, you create an account for free, you get 200 points for signing up, but basically points equal prizes, and you convert those points into, I'll show you down here, where's it gone? It's PayPal and also, I think it was Amazon vouchers from memory. But if we come on here really quickly, you can see on here, look, get free Instagram followers and Instagram photo likes. So what happens over on this platform is, these influencers are coming on here, they pay this AdMeFast, and then they create campaigns, and then basically users on the platform earn points for completing those campaigns. So over on here we have Instagram as well, and it's not just Instagram. Over on this platform we have Pinterest, we have I don't even know what VK is. I mean, I'm probably showing my age there, but you can get VK page followers on here. You can do SoundCloud. There is, look, Reddit upvotes, Reddit members, TikTok video, basically any social media platform, you can go ahead and find offers on here as well. Another website that you can use is this one over here. This is called Rapid Workers. This again, this is another micro, like a micro task, so it's similar to Microworkers. And again, it's absolutely free. You sign up, create an account, and then you go through and look, it tells you instantly how much you can earn. So look, you've got some available tasks here. So look, follow me on Twitter, you'll earn 12 cents, how long it'll take you to complete the task. And there's many more different opportunities in here. So you get paid via PayPal on this one, and also you can get a bank transfer. Really simple, really easy. And again, it's been around for a number of years. The final one I'm going to share with you is this one over here, and it's called Follow Fast. And look, you can see on here, you can earn money for liking pages. You can even advertise your own pages, basically. And it's it's another simple process. Sign up, create an account for free, and you can earn money on, as you can see here, we have Instagram, we've got Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest. I think that's Vimeo, and also, well, Google Plus is gone now, hasn't it? But those there are 5 different websites that you can use that will actually pay you to like Instagram photos. Now, as I've mentioned, you're not going to be earning a lot of money with this. This is just a simple side hustle. People like this because, it's free, it's quick, it's easy, and, you can pretty much get this up and running today. The only issue with this method is obviously you're not earning a lot of money and you're trading your time for money. Now, over on my blog, I have lots of articles. If you want to look, if you're interested in earning online, working from home, I have an interview series. I have articles on affiliate marketing, YouTube, and lots more. I've also got free courses which you can check out down below. I've got a free affiliate marketing course, a free YouTube course, and I also have a recommendation for earning online. But look, that's today's video. You can sign up to all of these for free. I'll drop links below for you. But yeah, if you found that video useful, please give it a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.